Joshua Holt with the Holt Real Estate Team and Keller Williams Realty. As you're aware, there's been a lot of talk in the news and media about the coronavirus, and I've had some folks that have been asking me what I think the impact on our local real estate market may be because of that. So today, we're going to answer that question. When we look to predict what will happen in our local real estate market, whether it's due to something like the coronavirus or just a normal shift or any other factors that can impact the market, we first tend to look at what's happening out on the coast of the United States. So looking at markets like New York and LA and San Francisco, those can be good leading indicators of things that may be eventually coming either sooner than later or maybe down the road in terms of impacts in a market. So when we see things like a major impact to the higher price in the luxury markets out on the coast, we tend to see that that is probably something that we may see here sooner than later here in South Central Wisconsin, should the impacts of the coronavirus continue for much longer than people may expect. However, the first thing that I would recommend if you're concerned about the impacts that the coronavirus may have to you, whether you're a current property owner thinking about selling your home or you're thinking about making a purchase, would be reach out to me. Let's talk about what your goals are to accomplish. Like I said, whether that's looking to buy or sell, and we'll come up with a strategy that will work for you. In the event that you're thinking of selling your current home, what we do know is that the median price here in Dane County is about $285,000. So let's say your home is higher than that, possibly even over the $500,000 mark. If that's some area that you're in, you may want to consider making a move sooner before we see any bigger impacts because of this. You may now want to strike while the iron's hot, knowing that we still have limited inventory, we still have more buyers out there, and now may be the right time to make that move. Now, on the flip side though, because of some of the things we're seeing with the coronavirus, the volatility in the stock market for one, we're starting to see where some people who maybe were using the stock market as a vehicle to save for their down payment may have impacts because of that. But we're also seeing, of course, is drops in interest rates and then in terms mortgage rates as well to near historic lows that we've seen over the last few weeks, certainly having an impact. And where that's probably having the biggest impact is in those homes at the $285,000 and below. We're already in a tight inventory space, and now you factor in these lower interest rates that's bringing out more buyers looking to make a move, and that's creating even more competition. What of course we don't want to see happen though is sellers thinking that now is a good time to all of a sudden just spike up their prices, because that may not pay out like you expect it to do. So my advice would be to stay the course. If you're thinking of making a move and you're thinking of selling your home, let's get together, find out what your home is worth realistically in this market, get a plan in place, and then go after and capture those buyers that are taking advantage of those record low interest rates. So moving forward, we'll continue to keep our eyes on the development and see how the impact is on our local market. And of course, as always, if you have any questions on the impacts of the coronavirus or anything else real estate related, you can always give me a call at 608-345-6594 or email me at jdholt@kw.com. And as always, you can take a look at available homes here in the area using our home search feature on our website here or download our new app. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.